Hi ma'am, Capex Beauty da amuhana welcome tawzari. Ngasi aina share tawzariba product se Minimalist Company gi Alpha Arbutin serum dune. Ahanbada sigi Minimalist Company habise Indian company ne aduga agi wakal dadi The Ordinary haba company do adudugi affordable dupe ne na haininge. Recently, India ki brand mayam sisu foreign gi product singa compete way yaba product khara puthore. So I have been trying a lot of Indian brands. Aduga Minimalist se it has become one of my favorites. Moigi company dagi I use a couple of things. Ngasi ki video se di moigi sigi serum Alpha Arbutin se sida dedicated oiba video ne. Ahanbada Alpha Arbutin haiba ingredients se akhoi skin se overall brighten tahonba aduga ngauthohan su ngamme aduga spots leba haidi uringi dark pu oiro natraga any other dark spots lebado adudo sigi Alpha Arbutin haiba ingredients na help toba ngamme haidi fade away tobada Alpha Arbutin se kaidoge harakanda akhoi gi melanin production do masina nemdahale aduduna it helps in the overall skin gi even tone ohenbada aduda su it helps. Sigi Minimalist ki Alpha Arbutin serum se monda yarba Alpha Arbutin se 2% ne aduga hyaluronic acid na 1% yawe. I think 2% se yamna decent oiba percentage ne adi since ekaigumba if you are going to start as a first time user 2% is the perfect percentage aduga monda yarba hyaluronic acid 1% se I think this is very nice because any active ingredients is in bakanda akhoi skin se it tends to get dry aduna hyaluronic acid na akhoi skin se supple ohelaga thambado aduda mating pangdoine sigi serum se 30 ml gi bottle da lae aduga magi price na 539 ne sigi product se amazon.in da phange aduga masagi website beminimalistic.com da su adum phangbane link animak ai makha gi video description box ta hapcharakke sigi product se manam yaude silicone yaude aduga parabens yaude aduga magi pH na 4.7 to 5.2 da laye sigi minimalistic ki serum se yam nungai sizinabada haidi ma se yam lightweight oye aduga sigi mathakta moisturizer tai taraga su greasy oibada adu sung oi de aduga kaigumba sigi nataba topa serum skincare da yaw taraga su layering tobada kemta problem laite ma se kangdhagar kanda akhoi tai haibado aduda kemta khangde ma se pura fully dry matte oina dry down tawe sigi product se sigi kenomtang hayo hai taraga di ma se akhoi skin do dry oira kanda taibudo nungai tabane so either akhoi skin do damp oiringai aduga kaigumba toner tai tari toner do pura full dry oiringai da apply tobana hena nungai bane skin da sigi serum se aina seasonarpa se ai uringi dark to phanaba seasonabane and it has been more than 1 month aduga visible result adum uye I think continuous use of around 10 weeks kum oi taragadi akhoi gi yamna kui driba tak oi taragadi adu do season definitely fade away tawgani na khalle definitely I will continue using this aduga Minimalistic company have say I really like it it's very nice it's very clean aduga irritation thokpa adu greasiness oiba aduga breakout to do aduga suktaw to de overall kaigumba uringi dark tabale hoba natraga akhoi gi dark spots leba aduga if you're looking for akhoi gi skin do brighten tawba ngauthoanba aduga even tone oiba pam taragadi I think sigi Alpha Arbutin gi Minimalist ki serum se you should definitely try it out aduga sigi bottle 30 ml na even if you use night and day it will last you definitely 45 to 50 days aduna sisna chana ina traga chana de hai do ai gi wakhal di phajana adum khangdo male aduga sigi product sigi yam nungai ba aspect amana ma se yam affordable oye haidi mon the piriba quality siga my price siga the quality is very high ngasi gi di sida loisanjarage I hope you liked the video. Atopa product review yengningba leitaragasu aigi Instagram account ta DM tobirao. Thank you. Bye.